Hey, I'm Mark, and honestly I never thought I'd be this guy, but I actually found a legit way to make money online. For real. No, I'm not pitching you anything, I'm not techie, and I'm definitely not spending hours glued to a laptop. It's called the 7-minute Wi-Fi blueprint, and yeah, I was super skeptical at first. I wasn't trying to start some big business or chase people on social media, I just wanted something simple that actually worked. So I gave it a shot. And you know what? This step-by-step guide completely surprised me. It's not some hypey get-rich overnight nonsense. It's a down-to-earth system with clear steps and zero fluff. If you can follow directions and spare a few minutes a day, you're golden. I started with zero experience, no crazy results here, but steady, real progress. A few bucks here, a few bucks there, it adds up. What I really appreciate, it respects your time. No set hours, no confusing tech, no pressure. It even walks you through exactly what to post, say, and set up. And honestly, most of it's already done for you. Honestly, I wish I'd found this sooner. And if you're thinking, yeah, this sounds like one of those online gimmicks, I get it, I was you. But this one? It's different. There's even a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you've got literally nothing to lose. I got started for $67 and the value I've gotten? Easily worth double that. If you're curious, I'll drop the official link below, just make sure you're on the legit site. Check out the 7-minute Wi-Fi blueprint. It might be exactly what you've been looking for.